Bonjour mes étudiants. In this video, you learn about prepositions de lieu, which means prepositions of place. Now you see that all the words that are in bold in this message are called prepositions de lieu. These prepositions can be very useful to indicate the location of a particular object or place. These are quite a lot of numbers, so let's see now how can they be used in different sentences one by one. Number one is sur. It means on. Look at the example. Il y a un journal sur la table. Easy? Great. Let's see the next one. Number two, sous. It means under. Par exemple, il y a un chat sous la table. Number three, devant. In front of. La voiture est devant la maison. Numéro 4, number 4, dans, which means in. Par exemple, il y a des pommes dans le sac. Numéro 5, entre, which means between. Il y a un petit vélo entre les voitures. Numéro 6, au coin de. Look at the first example. Elle habite au coin. But if I wish to specify that she lives at the corner of the street, I'll say au coin de. While in the first example, we just said she lives in the corner. So look at the next example. Elle habite au coin de la rue. Numéro 7, à côté de, which means besides or next to. Il y a une pharmacie à côté. So in this context, it means there is a pharmacy nearby. Now again, if I wish to specify that the pharmacy is next to the museum or library or opera or even toilets, then we need to add du, de l'apostrophe, de la, or they, the contracted articles, depending on the gender and the number of that object or a person. Now let us look at the examples here. Il y a une pharmacie à côté du musée. Il y a une pharmacie à côté de la bibliothèque. Il y a une pharmacie à côté de l'opéra. Il y a une pharmacie à côté des toilettes. We can even use de but only with the proper noun or in case de is followed by an adjective possessive ou demonstrative. You may not know what demonstrative adjectives are right now, but we will be taking them up in much more detail in the later topics. All these rules are the same as we learned for contracted articles earlier. Like in these examples, Rahul est à côté de Rohit, which means Rahul is besides Rohit. So Rohit is a proper noun. The next example is Rahul est à côté de sa mère. Since we have used an adjective possessive sa here, therefore we use de, de and not any contracted article like du, de la, de, etc. We'll be taking one more example with adjective demonstrative here, which we haven't done yet, but I hope you understand. Rahul est à côté de cet ascenseur. Rahul is besides this lift. So cet basically means this. Okay, numéro 8 is près de, which means near or near from. Il y a un magasin près de ma maison. Numéro 9, loin ou loin de. Elle habite loin. To be more specific, we'll add loin de plus object. Par exemple, elle habite loin de ma maison. Then we have en face de, which means opposite of. Look at the example. Le professeur est en face du garçon américain. Numéro 11, à droite de, to the right of. Il y a une lampe à droite du canapé. À gauche de. To the left of. Il y a une lampe à gauche du canapé. Tout droit, which means straight. So when I say aller tout droit, it means go straight. Fairly simple, right? And the last one is chez. Chez means at one's place. It can mean at my place, at your place, or at dentist's place, or doctor's place, teacher's place, etc. Je vais chez le dentiste. Now, here are a few more words that will come in handy for you while making sentences like the ones we have in this video. For example, ici, it means here. How do we use it in a sentence? We can say, ici il y a un café. Then we have là, which means there. For example, le médecin n'est pas là. And là-bas, which means over there. Il y a une station là-bas. Now, here is a question for you. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition. Answer in the comment section below. One lucky winner would receive an Internshala trainings merchandise. Hope you enjoyed learning about Prépositions de lieux. This video is a part of Internshala trainings French language program. And to learn one of the world's most popular language, visit the link in the description. To learn exciting new concepts and skills on the go, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red bell icon and stay tuned for more videos.